Okay, so we're going to skip number 2. It's chi-square. In this year, no chi-square, so number 3. Alzheimer's disease results in a loss of cognitive ability beyond what is expected with typical aging. A local newspaper published an article with the following headline: Study finds strong association between smoking and Alzheimer's. The article reported that a study tracked the medical histories of 21,123 men and women for 23 years. The article stated that for those who smoked at least 2 packs of cigarettes a day, the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease was 2.57 times the risk for those who did not smoke. A. Identify the explanatory and response variables in the study. Now, the explanatory variable, a lot of people will just put smoking here, but it's really not, because it's not saying anyone who's ever smoked or people who smoke 1 cigarette a day. The study is tracking and using the explanatory variable of those that smoked at least 2 packs a day. So I wrote smoking at a level of 2 or more packs a day. Then, what are they measuring? Whether or not people developed Alzheimer's. So the response variable is a little more straightforward. The explanatory variable you got to be careful with. Now, part B says, is the study an observational study or an experiment? Well, was there a treatment applied? Did they make these people smoke? No. So this is observational. So I wrote observational study. The participants were not given a treatment of being told to smoke 2 or more packs. Good. Part C, exercise status, regular weekly exercise versus no regular weekly exercise, was mentioned in the article as a possible confounding variable. Remember, confounding variable is a different variable that may be the reason for certain results that we see. So explain how exercise status could be a confounding variable in the study. So anytime you have to explain a confounding variable, you should really mention in what direction it will confound it. So I wrote, exercise status may be confounding since those who exercise more are typically more healthy, and more healthy people may be less likely to develop Alzheimer's. It seems like a short problem, and it kind of is. It's very interesting to include just this in a problem. I could see this year being the beginning of a problem and then being more parts added to it. So I do like this problem, even though it seems pretty short and simple.